Howdy, welcome back. Today, I'm gonna show you how to play the piano. I only know one good song on the piano. Check it out. You might know, it's a famous song, you might know where it's from. Well, let me show you. Look, an actual piano. See it? Just so you won't know, so you won't think I'm faking it. An actual piano. You might know where this is from. Check it out. Let me get my notes ready. Do you know where this is from? Check it out. Huh? Know that's from? That's the intro to one of Dr. Dre's famous songs. You know where it's from? Oh! So I just got this in the mail today. I already opened it. I got a set of speed cubes. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, speed cube set. The 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, and the 5x5. Let's open it up. Can you hear that? I think it's one of my cats. I got like 7 cats that live here. Here's a 3x3. Here is the 2x2. Four by four. And the 5x5. Secret tutorial for cubes for those who love cubing. Well, basically gives you like all the steps to solve a cube, Rubik's Cube. What is that, 3x3? Some sort of circle cube. Okay, I don't need that. I can solve all kinds of Rubik's Cubes. Let's start with the traditional 3x3. So these are the ones that you see on TV, like the ones that can use at the championships, where like they solve an entire Rubik's Cube in like 5 seconds. Let's check it out. How do they do it? They like do like all this stuff. Okay. Let's see how fast I can solve a 3x3 with this speed cube. This new speed cube. I have the original Rubik's Cube that's made from actual Rubik's company. I don't even know where they came from. I don't know, made in China. But yeah, I'm trying to mix up as good as it can get. Okay. Looks pretty good, right? Mixed up a bit. Well, okay, whatever. It's pretty mixed up. Let's see how fast I can solve the speed cube. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now, I don't see how those professionals can solve this in 5 seconds. I'm still looking for the color I need. The red? What the hell is red? Sorry, my cats get up here. They're like all over the place. Oh. I thought I was doing white, I'm doing orange. Okay, let's do orange. Yeah, these things are really slidey, like they've been lubricated with like Rubik's juice or something. Okay, let's see. Where's the other orange? There it is. Oops, wrong way. Okay, I feel like this thing's gonna break apart. I keep spinning it too fast with all the force it has, the force I have on it. Okay, I don't know how the hell those professionals do this in like 2 seconds. I just barely got one color in what 4 minutes? Let's see. So I think these things come with like a screw in the middle. Like you pop this middle one open, or I think this one. You can either tighten the screw or loosen the screw. If you tighten it, I guess it'll, tighten the cube, because right now it's like very slippery. If you loosen it more, it'll get even more slidier than this. I'll have to do that when I'm done with this one. Yeah, this thing is like very loose. I think I'm gonna definitely have to tighten that screw up. Okay, one of those professional cubers would have already like solved this one, and this one, and probably a few more. I'm still working on the 3x3. I should quit my job and become a professional cuber and enter like all these championships. Usually my videos are around 10 minutes. It looks like around the 10-minute mark, I'm just about to complete this one. Okay, something went wrong here. What went wrong? What went wrong here? What went wrong here? Oh crap, I think I messed up a move. Yep, I screwed this whole thing up. Yeah. I'm not lying, I know how to solve, I can solve all these cubes, but yeah, I can solve Rubik's cubes. You know what? I'm at 9 minutes, I guess I'll just speed up the whole thing. So let me just solve it real quick. I'm lost. Yeah, I'm screwing this up. Oh, there we go, I got it. Right on time too, my ride is here. Gotta go.